The Volt 2-in-1 brass tiki torch combines the charm of a real flame tiki torch with the practicality of a low-voltage LED path light. Perfect for patios, walkways, and outdoor entertaining spaces, this fixture enhances ambience while providing functional illumination. Crafted from extra robust brass with a sleek black powder-coated finish, it's built for lifetime durability and marine-grade protection. The thick woven wick delivers a large, long-lasting flame, and the integrated oil reservoir can be filled with citronella oil to help keep insects away. Designed for stability and performance, it features moisture-tight construction, a clear glass globe for lamp protection, and strip-resistant threading for secure mounting. UL listed and backed by a lifetime warranty, this tiki torch is a stylish, reliable solution for any outdoor setting.